we have seen in the second video that the concentrated chloroform containing ergot alkaloids are diluted with ether and then it is extracted with sulfuric acid. This is neutralized with ammonia, and if you want to get water insoluble ergot alkaloids, you have to extract again by using carbon tetrachloride. And if you want water soluble ergot alkaloids, then they are present in water. Okay, now ergot production is regulated because it is a synthetic process, biosynthetic process. Ergot alkaloid is a secondary metabolite, and one of the important precursor or the key precursor is tryptophan. Tryptophan is direct precursor of all ergots. All ergots are synthesized from tryptophan, which is a direct precursor. So this tryptophan must be present in the media that you prepare. Now tryptophan is responsible for induction, that is starting, and de-repression. That means if the synthesis is stopped, then tryptophan will help in restarting the process of synthesis of ergot alkaloids. So tryptophan causes induction and de-repression of enzyme which is required for ergot alkaloid synthesis. Now, when tryptophan is not added, the organism will make ergot alkaloid, but it will not be accumulated. It will make and it will be used up. It will not get collected in the fungi. But if you add tryptophan, organism will accumulate the ergot alkaloids in hyphae. Okay. Ergot alkaloid formation is inhibited by phosphate. High levels of phosphate will inhibit the synthesis of ergot alkaloid. That means phosphate is responsible for repression. It will cause repression. Okay. Now the repression will be caused if the concentration of phosphate is more than 1.1 gram per liter. Even glucose, if it is at a concentration of more than 5%, it will inhibit the synthesis of ergot alkaloids. In fermentation, where fungi is used, the fungi will form pellets. Plants માં તો fungi જે છે એ ergotના સ્વરૂપ લે છે, બટ જ્યારે તમે ફર્મેન્ટેશન કરશો તો આ જે fungi છે એ પેલેટના સ્વરૂપમાં હશે. And this will be containing peptide alkaloids in the pellets. Ergot alkaloidમાં અલગ અલગ પ્રકારના alkaloids હોય છે, જેમાં પેપ્ટાઇડ alkaloids છે એ પેલેટમાં હશે, પર જે બીજા ergot alkaloids છે જેમ કે ક્લાવિન, લાઇસર્જિક એસિડ, આ મીડિયામાં પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય છે. So some of the ergot alkaloids are present in the pellets of the fungi formed during submerged fermentation, અને અમુક ergot alkaloids જે છે જેમ કે ક્લાવિન છે, CLAVINE, લાઇસર્જિક એસિડ છે, જે મીડિયામાં એક્સક્રીટ થશે. Sucrose can also increase the yields of ergot alkaloids, and માલ્ટ જે છે એ ergot alkaloidsની પ્રોડક્શન ડિક્રીઝ કરે છે, ઓછું કરી દે છે. જે મેં તમને કીધું, જે ergot alkaloids છે એ સેકન્ડરી મેટાબોલાઇટ છે.